Hello, this is Ernest Jessup, and this is part 3 of the 2-in-1 force inventory tutorial. So from here, I'm going to return to the main MyNRH page. Okay, so simply using that folder icon, and I click MyNRH. What we're looking for is RFMT. All right, it's a pretty popular program, so it tends to be trending most of the time. There are other ways to access it. Most of the time I just click on the trending link, but I believe that it's also available in applications. And if you look towards the bottom, you'll see RFMT JOSO apply. So let's select that. All right, right now it's asking me to authenticate. And if you don't have access, you can speak with the folks up in N1 about getting access to this. All right, still loading. All right, here's the main dashboard. Authenticate one more time. And I'm going to open my spreadsheet again and move it over so that I can see the necessary columns that I need to extract. Okay, so the first thing to look for is the search members link. Okay, I'm going to click on that. Okay, right now the filters are just for officers. One thing that's really nice is that you can expand these different filters like rank, designator, and if, for instance, if I typed in captain, you'll see that, hey, if I wanted to just show captains, I could click on that, and my data on the right here just updates to show members that have the rank of captain. Okay, but I want to see all officers, so I need more. Okay, so we're going to enter commander, lieutenant commander, and all the officer ranks. I'll just continue to do so. Don't forget about the warrants. Okay, so I've got all the officer ranks, and now designator wise, I don't need anything there because I do want all the designators, and for AQDs I want the 2-in-1, and you'll see that as you type it, displays what the actual name of the AQD is, Augment Unit CO OIC. 2D1, command eligible. 2D2, command qualified. 2D3, major command. And if you try 2D4, I don't believe there is a 2D4. Not yet. All right, so right now my filters are set up, and I'm just going to check my record time. This video may go a little bit longer. So now that I have these ranks and the AQD selected, I need to look at my columns. So right now I've got name, rank, designator or rating, IMS. So we're not using IMS in this particular data pull. So let's go ahead and hide that. Okay. So that's located, if you, let me show you how to do that. You just click on the column name. There's a little drop down. And IMS, I believe, falls under member profile. So if I hovered over that, you'll see IMS here. So let's uncheck IMS. We don't need the mask code, so I'm going to uncheck that. All right. Next is you have PRD. We actually don't need the PRD. Oop, I think I accidentally clicked on the sort. So let's go back to sort by name. I'm just clicking on the column header to get it back alphabetically. So PRDs, we really don't need the PRD of the member. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go to columns, current assignment, and look for PRD and turn that off. Okay, we do need the pay. We do need TRUIC. NRA, title, and let's see, bin we don't need. So I'll uncheck that. Okay, take a look. What I'm doing is I'm looking at the spreadsheet on my left screen that you can't see, it's out of your view, and I'm making sure that I have all the necessary columns. So designator. Okay, after designator, I'd like to have email. Okay, so the personal email. So let's go to that designator column. And it's very sensitive, so if you accidentally click on a column name, it's going to sort it. What I want to do is I want the member's personal email. So the way to do that is to click on the column that's, let's see, email is going to appear after designator rank. I'm going to click on that one, okay, and I'm going to go over column, and there's a contact information, and you see that you have the city, state, email, and alt email. I'm going to select the member's email. So now after their designator, I have their personal email. All right, or primary email. Then is the pay, then's TrueIC, and then unit title. Okay, that's great. We're missing NRA title. So after unit title, I'm going to go to the columns, current assignment, I'm looking for, oh, I got tricked by my own screen. I should have been scrolling here horizontally. Got my scroll bars mixed up. So after TrueIC, I have unit title, NRA, and there's that code that I mentioned. So just with the code, I'm not able to tell, right? Like we know from previous tutorial that 06 means RCC Norfolk. So that's why I'm extracting all this data and putting it into my spreadsheet. And then the VLOOKUP will tell me what region this NRA is in. Okay, followed by NRA title, and that should be it. Those are all the columns that we need to get our spreadsheet working correctly. And they're in the right order. So if they're not in the right order, you'll have to manually do this once you open Excel. All right, I'm going to export to Excel. Okay, I'm going to also save that to my desktop. So we've got the old inventory from March, and now I'm going to have this poll from May 19th. Save that, and we'll open it just to make sure that the data looks good. Pull that over. Okay. So in the next video, we'll go ahead and get this updated information into the members tab from the actual tracker. All right, thanks.